September 30, 2017, 500 am SGT KARANGASEM Bali. A rumbling volcano on the Indonesian holiday island of Bali is spewing steam and sulfurous fumes with more intensity, heightening fears of an eruption as officials said the number of evacuees had topped 144,000. Mount Agung, 75 kilometers from the resort hub of Kuta, has been shaking since last month and threatening to erupt for the first time since 1963, a potential blow to the island's lucrative tourism industry. The last eruption killed nearly 1,600 people. The Indonesian Center for Volcanology and Geological Hazard Mitigation said yesterday that remote satellite sensing had picked up new steam emissions and thermal areas within the crater. White steam clouds which contain sulfurous fumes have been observed rising 50 meters to 200 meters above the summit, the center said. At this moment, the probability of an eruption is higher than the probability of no eruption. However, the probability may change, said the center's head volcanologist Kusbani, who, like many Indonesians, goes by one name. Another volcanologist at the center, Mr. Jeet Swandika, said the more frequent emissions of sulfurous fumes in the past 3 days indicated the possibility of an eruption is getting more real. Bali's disaster mitigation agency said 144,389 people had now been evacuated, compared with a tally of some 122,490 by Thursday. They are staying in nearly 500 makeshift shelters in 9 districts, and some have crossed the Lombok Strait to take refuge in the neighboring island of Lombok. Around 62,000 people lived in the danger zone before the evacuations, according to the agency, but residents just outside the area have also left out of fear. Agence France Presse.